Toe tap pelvic floor exercise. This exercise encourages your core to remain stable while also contracting floor muscle to contract. Here how it's done. Lay down flat on the floor with your knees bent. Inhale through your diaphragm, then exhale using your mouth, decompressing your ribs as you do. Rise your pelvic floor while maintaining the stability of abdominal core. Inhale the rise one leg to table and the position top. Lower the slowly and steadily repeat the motion in leg 12 times that the other leg. Make sure your core is engaged throughout the exercise. By performing any of the above techniques daily, you have be able to notice change in about a month in a week. By around the 3 month mark, you will be mark improvement in your stamina and ejaculating controls in the bedroom. Take some time off from intercourse. The traditional view of a session penile vagina intercourse can be quite limiting, especially vagina owners. A recent study has discovered that only 18% of women can attain orgasm through vaginal stimulation. The rest of the participant studies required clitoral stimulations and orgasm. Thus, of maximize your partner happiness during activity. You and your partner will benefit from exploring other forms of sexual pleasure. This can include erotic massage during positions, foreplay sessions, trying techniques, and oral. By trying different alternative to penetrative, you can give your penis a break from constant stimulation, allowing from stronger and more potent ejaculation with the time comes.